my playing's a little bit rough, but I thought you would want to know that I'm still here. I didn't know if anything would come out. It's been months since I opened my mouth to tell you that after it all, I'm still here. So will you take me as I am, even if I can't be the one you wanted? Don't you ask me if I can write another end like the one you wanted. I know a lot has changed, but I'm still here.